Are we on? IROSETV, day 2 of Mama Rose's birthday party in Beaumont, Texas. We're here with my little nieces and nephews, and my nephew Ashton is about to do my makeup because this is how I bond with my nephews because I don't do sports, so they paint my face for me. But I guess this is why I can't have a son if I have kids. Ready?
Okay, no.
Kayla's gonna film this.
Kayla's filming.
Okay, nephew. Ready? Eyeshadow. This one. Okay, that's enough. Ready? What do we want it inside?
Oh.
Good job. Good job. Now put me some of this one. And put it in the crease. Right here. Right there. Yep. Yep. Good job.
Yeah, you
This
don't need
one?
no. You don't need no.
Okay, this one. Right here.
Oh.
Oh, yes. We're going to blend that. Yeah. Okay. Dab it like that. Lightly, lightly. Good job. Okay, now you gotta blend it, okay? Starting the inside. Yes. Yes. Ooh, baby, good job. Okay. Now make a shadow, okay, right here. Ooh, we put mascara on some. Yeah. Go this way. Yeah. Ooh, yes. Now put some blush on. Come on.
Oh my God.
That's enough. We're gonna hold off on the blue. We're not gonna do the blue.
Oh my God.
Okay. Mascara. Come on, show them how you can do my mascara.
Oh no.
You good at mascara. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, you make me so pretty. Yes. Do this.
Oh.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes, Ashton. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's pretty.
Now see, isn't that more fun than football? Come on, lipstick on me.
No.
Oh my God. Come on.
No boys for you.
Remember lipstick. Oh yeah.
Look how he holding her face like he.
Yeah. Did it. Thank you, Ashton. Thank you. You did a good job. Yay, Ashton. Signing out.